Hi, this is Sohrab, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to open MKV files in Premiere Pro. Recently I used OBS Studio to record my screen, and I didn't know that the default video format for the program was on MKV. I realized that this file couldn't be opened in the Premiere, and it showed the same error in the encoder program as well. So I use an old trick, which is changing the file extension, and I change it to AVI. This way the file opened in Premiere. However, I tried MP4 first, but it didn't work. But that's not all. While working, I saw that the playback of this file was sometimes problematic and sometimes really annoying. So finally I use a Dolby encoder to create an MP4 output from it, and you can see how much the playback difference is. Hope you find it useful and make magic with your projects.